Okay, you just saw my mixed media page for my little art journal. And in it, I used the Not Too Shabby paper. It's Watermelon Summer and Slice of Summer, something like that. But it's two from Not Too Shabby. That is the paper that I use for my card kit this month. So it's all about the watermelons. And I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of the cards. So there's one card. There's the next card. There's the next card. And there's the last card. Now the kit comes with all the pieces in here. The sentiments are a printout that you cut out or punch out. The large watermelon and the slices I got off of the internet and downloaded them, and they're on the sheet ready to go. All you have to do is cut them out. Everything's embossed for you. All you basically have to do is cut out the watermelon slices, cut out the sentiments, and put it together. The kits are limited, so if you like this kit, you need to order it now. The link to order is below. Have a marvelous Monday. Bye.